Annotations in process plans allow you to better document what a process plan is doing or to provide further information about a single or multiple steps. So let me show you how you can add an annotation to your process plan. To do so, here at the top menu bar, you have two icons related to annotations, and the first one with the plus sign will add an annotation. So if I click on it, you can see this will add a default annotation with a default color, default position, default size to my canvas. And then I can simply drag the annotation on my canvas. I can also use the anchor points to specify the size of the annotation. And you can see the annotation will always be added behind my process plan steps, so it will never cover them. And you can see as soon as I have selected my annotation, here at the right I have different properties to specify the look and content of my annotation. So here at the top I have the possibility to change the background color of my annotation. So I have here a color picker to specify a custom color, or I can choose a default color that is predefined here at the bottom. The same goes for the text color of my annotation. I can also use a color picker or choose black or white here as a predefined set. And then I have two text input fields, and let me show you what's the difference here. So in the text, as soon as I enter here something, you can see everything that is part of this input field will also show up directly in my annotation. And here in the comment field, I can provide further information about what this step or annotation is doing. So this is a really nice opportunity to provide further information, but to not add too much text here directly in my annotation. And of course, I can add as many annotations as I want to my process plan. So for example, I could also add a bigger one to describe what my process plan is doing. So let me, for this demo, just simply copy and paste the process plan name here, and you can also specify the text alignment. So this is pretty straightforward. For example, I can make it align to the left center or to the right center in this case. And what is also important is that you can also set the order of the annotations. So for example, this huge annotation, of course, I want to have it in my background. So I can click here on the Arrange button, and you can see my first annotation is now visible again. And last but not least, what I want to mention here is that you always have the possibility to also change the visibility of the annotations. So for example, if you want to adjust your process plan, you can always switch the visibility off or on. So you can toggle it here at the top with this button.